If you think you need a gym to get strong, think again. What if I told you one of the most effective ways to build strength, improve posture, and feel more confident doesn't require a single machine? It's called calisthenics, and it might be the simplest fitness method you'll ever try. Calisthenics is strength training that uses your own body weight. No expensive equipment, no crowded gym, just you and gravity. But don't mistake simple for easy. Some of the strongest and most athletic people in the world build their foundation with bodyweight training. So why does it work so well? First, it builds real-world strength. Instead of training muscles in isolation, calisthenics teaches your entire body to work together. A push-up doesn't just train your chest, it challenges your shoulders, arms, core, and stabilizing muscles all at once. The result? Strength that actually helps you in everyday life, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, moving with confidence. But here's what surprises most beginners. Your core gets stronger without spending hours doing crunches. Almost every calisthenics exercise requires core engagement. Push-ups, planks, squats, even basic movements teach your core to stabilize your body. Over time, that can lead to better posture, better balance, and a stronger-looking midsection. And then there's my favorite benefit, freedom. You can train almost anywhere, at home, at the park, while traveling. Your body is always with you, so your workout can be too. And when fitness becomes easier to access, it's much easier to stay consistent. But here's the part most people completely misunderstand. Calisthenics isn't just for beginners. Every exercise has progressions. Can't do a push-up yet? Start with wall push-ups. Ready for more challenge? Move to incline push-ups, standard push-ups, and beyond. There's always a next level waiting for you. And finally, calisthenics teaches something many workout programs forget: how to move well, not just lift more. You build strength, coordination, balance, and body awareness at the same time. That's why it can become a training method you enjoy for years, not just a few months. So what is calisthenics? It's much more than bodyweight exercises. It's a simple, effective way to build strength, improve posture, boost confidence, and create a healthier relationship with fitness. You don't need perfect conditions, you don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need to wait until you're fitter to start. You can begin today. Because the strongest version of you isn't built in a gym. It's built through consistent movement, one workout at a time. If you're ready to start your calisthenics journey, subscribe to Femme Strength Calisthenics for more beginner-friendly workouts and strength-building tips.